quickly in between another package, which is actually labeled as Meifesto Netherlands. No idea when or why or how I will upload this. It probably won't be uploaded as a separate video. It will be like a extra bit in a shorter style. Come on, go in the hole.
Yeah, that's what she said.
I do have an idea what it might be. So, a little bit careful. I'm doing this one-handed. Look, no hands. Tom tom tom. Oh, they did package this quite nice. It's probably not the smartest point to do that. Here it makes more sense. Tom tom tom, and it's inside the bag. Now we just open the bag. It's all still visible. Inside the bag is even more plastics. And we remove those plastics. Tom tom tom. Knee sliders from the kevlar jeans. There's a big chance I will never ever need them. But if I'm gonna do a track day, I at least want to have them. So it should be one strap on top. It goes quite tight. Then you should go to here. And strap on there. You go to there and strap on there. Dus the inside, front side. Not bendable plastic, so you get this little corner. And it's the part that slides across the ground.